Alright, I'll show you how easy it is in Adobe Illustrator to make your own cool patterns. Let's get started. First off, grab that rectangle tool from the toolbar and draw a box where you want your pattern to show up. Think of it like drawing the canvas for your pattern. Then, go up to Window and click on Generate Patterns Beta feature. A new panel pops up, and that's where the magic happens. See that box that says Prompt? That's where you tell the Illustrator what kind of pattern you want. Just type in a quick description. If you have no idea where to start, there are some predefined pattern sample prompts you can peek at for ideas. Now, for the colors, you've got a couple of options. You can pick a ready-made color set for a quick look. You can tell it how many colors to use, or just let it pick automatically. If you're a pro like a fashion or graphic designer, you can choose up to 12 colors yourself. And if you mess up, just hit Clear All next to specify colors to start over. To wipe all the color settings, hit Clear All next to Color and Tone. Next up, you can add some different effects to your seamless pattern. Under Add Effects to your creation, you'll see things like Geometric, Flat Design, or Doodle. For this example, let's go with Geometric. Then if you click on View All Settings, you'll find a slider called Density that lets you control how close together or spread out your all-over pattern is going to be. Once you've adjusted everything, go back to that prompt box and type in exactly what you want. Be specific like Vintage Floral Pattern with Pastel Colors, and hit Generate. After a little wait, Illustrator will give you 3 versions of your all-over pattern or texture. The first one will automatically show up on the rectangle or square we created on the canvas. You can look at all 3 and pick the one you like best. These patterns also get saved as swatches in the Generated Patterns folder in the Swatches panel. Let's see what happens when we keep the same prompt and try Flat Design and Doodle effects in fast-forward mode. They look totally different seamless patterns. If you don't like any of these, just change your prompt, and it'll give you a new set of seamless patterns. When you see one you like, hover over it, click Edit Pattern. This opens the pattern editor, where you can change anything you want. Since these seamless patterns are vector drawings, you can resize, recolor, and change everything without losing the resolution. That's the cool part. You're not stuck with what the Illustrator Generative AI gives you. You can tweak it or add some more design elements and customize it according to your needs until you are satisfied with the outcome. Once you finalize editing part of your seamless pattern, just click Done. I always save my patterns to the Swatches panel so I can use them again for later projects.